constitutional right to express our opinion and to assemble to show concern on the 2013 Constitution. That was refused. And that being refused, we were very concerned. We expressed against the government that to be a true democracy, you should guarantee people to exercise their human rights. But be that as it may, we respect the law and what is done. So because of that, we have gathered here, which is in a private place, does not require a permit, to express the same concern. And the concern that we have against the Constitution, there are many, but for us indigenous Fijians, is the racism. The racism which we are sure, we feel, was intentional by those who drafted the Constitution to do so in such a way that it removes totally the constitutional recognition of cultural institutions like the GCC and group rights like customary laws, prior and informed consent. So that's were there, cornerstone of the 1970 and 1999 Constitution and every policy of the colonial government which has been removed. And we have been appropriately advised by the Human Rights Committee in Geneva, the last time I attended there in 2012, that doing so was an act of racism. So we wanted to show the concern against this document, and we know that the document does not belong to us. It does not carry the common will of the people. It is racist, intentionally, against indigenous Fijians, and therefore we want to ask the government to exercise its executive powers and whatever powers that it has to remove this document, because that is the mainstay of racism against Itoke.